guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming back at you with another video. It's gonna be a quick video because I'm just doing my hair real quick, and I thought I'll show you guys what I'm gonna be doing to it today and for the week, I guess. Well, as long as this hairstyle is gonna last me. I'm just gonna be doing a curly singular braid using this, what is this called? It's usually I use Lulu Tress hair, but I guess we're gonna be using this 3X Ruwa water wave hair. This is 18 inches and it comes in a pack of 3. I love doing ponytail braids with this type of hair because I don't have to straighten or stretch my hair for it to match the texture, which I love, and it's healthier for your hair that way. So yes, I'm gonna show you guys how I do this style, and yes, enjoy. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I don't know if I want to do a voiceover. Probably a voiceover so I can listen to music. So enjoy the video. So I'm gonna start with my Lotta Body Leave-In Conditioning Spray just to add some moisture to my hair. So this style is extra protective. Really no reason. I bought it and I'm trying it out. I really don't feel like there's any special thing about it, but we're gonna keep using it because I put my money on it. Anyways, I'm gonna start detangling my hair and yeah, get it ready to slick it down with this Edge Booster Gel. I have never used this gel before. I think it's pretty cool. It comes with a spatula. I don't know why it comes with a spatula. Maybe if you have nails, I think this is convenient. This lid was high-key very hard to get off, so excuse me while I struggle. It was my first time using this gel. This gel is super thick. I was not expecting it to be this jelly-like and thick. I'm still not sure if I like this gel. I guess it's okay. It has a pretty strong hold, like it says on the bottle. The scent does smell like a light melon scent. That's the flavor I bought. There's other flavors too. And now I'm just gonna put this all over my hair, slick it down, you know, the usual. And guys, look how long my hair has gotten. And if you watch my other videos, like where my hair was bleached and stuff like that, it's definitely got its health back, so I'm happy. We love to see it. It's easy for me to detangle the ends of my hair inside the ponytail because it groups my hair together. So I put it in a ponytail to detangle it, and then I take it out to go back in and re-snatch it up. Guys, if you see my arms, they're low-key toned because this is a lot of work. This takes a lot of arm strength to slick down natural hair. I'm not even lying. Doing natural hair in general is a workout for your arms. So this part is very important, making sure that your ponytail hair is as sleek as possible, like as flat, saturated with gel, whatever, weighed down, whatever you want to call it, so that when you do add it to the braiding hair, it's not sticking out and it's not hard to braid into it. So first I take a section of the hair and I separate it into two so that I can have it for later to feed into my braid. And then I take another full pack of hair, well, section of hair, and that's going to be for the beginning of my braid. And how I attach this to my ponytail is I literally just braid it in like it's a box braid. The most important part I would say to this is adding product to the braiding hair because it is curly hair and it gets tangled fast. So I just like put a little bit of gel so that it adds a little bit of like moisture to it. Even though it's synthetic, like it keeps the hair from getting tangled. I don't know the science behind it, but it always works for me. And when I don't do it, it's always a hassle trying to braid this hair. So yeah, I suggest like if you want to try this style, like adding a little bit of gel down the braiding hair or the hair just so that it can stay separated and sectioned off without getting matted and tangled up. Because we all know how frustrating that can be. And see, I'm adding a little bit of gel here. And I'm going to continue braiding down. Now I'm just cutting off some of the excess length I don't want and continue to braid down to the end, and then I'm just going to secure it with a regular hair tie. I don't wrap my the top of my braid with more hair unless I want to. I wasn't really doing anything special this day, so I really didn't feel the need. I kind of didn't mind having my hair tie exposed. It looked kind of natural that way, and I wanted to show you guys how natural it does look against my hair. Like, you kind of almost can't tell that there's braiding hair mixed up in there. Like, if y'all didn't know, you would have thought a sis had inches, okay? Maybe I'm dragging it. Let me know in the comments if this looks natural and if you ever tried this before. But I really love this hairstyle and I love how it looks, and yeah. Alright, that is the end of the video. It was really quick. I'm pretty sure I didn't edit it yet, so I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. I like the gel. It's a really strong hold. Like, I don't know, I never used it before. I think I would have to try it in a wash and go to really know how my hair reacts to it. But as far as like a slick style, I mean, Eco Styler gel does the same thing. It does have a really thicker hold. Like, I don't know, I like the gel though. There's nothing to ride home about. I like how it laid my edges, I guess. But I love doing this braid with curly hair because when my hair gets fuzzy and I wear this style, this doesn't look totally off. So yeah, it gets fuzzy together. If you like this hairstyle tutorial, make sure you give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe because I'm going to be dropping way more hair videos coming to you soon and other videos. So make sure you are subscribed with those post notifications on so you can be aware every time I upload. Did I say that twice? Put on those post notifications so you guys are aware every time I upload when I upload. Okay? Okay. All that I know.